Question number 1. What is criminal procedure? It is the set of rules on how a criminal case is handled from investigation, filing, trial, up to judgment and appeal, ensuring due process. Number 2. What are the difference between criminal law and criminal procedure? Criminal law defines crime and prescribes penalties. What act is a crime and what punishment is imposed? Criminal procedure provides the rule on how criminal actions are initiated, tried and decided, the process of ensuring the law. What is jurisdiction? Jurisdiction is the authority of a court to hear, try, and decide a case. Without jurisdiction, a court cannot validly act on a case. Number 4. What is jurisdiction over subject matter? Explain and give an example. It is the authority of a court to hear cases of particular nature given by law. Example, RTC has jurisdiction over murder cases because the penalty exceeds 6 years. Number 5. What is jurisdiction over the territory? Explain and give an example. It is the authority of a court to hear cases committed within its geographical area. Example, if a crime is committed in Quezon City, the case must be filed in the Quezon City court, not in Manila. Question number 6. What is jurisdiction over the person of the accused? Explain and give an example. It is acquired when the accused is brought before the court either by arrest or by voluntarily appearing. Example, if the accused is arrested on warrant and brought to trial, the court has jurisdiction over his person. Number 7. What are the cases cognizable before the Katarungan Pambarangay? Cases involving dispute between members of the same barangay of adjoining barangays, such as minor criminal offenses punishable by imprisonment not exceeding 1 year or fine more than 5,000 pesos. Question number 8. What are the cases cognizable before the court in their original jurisdiction? MTC offenses punishable by imprisonment not exceeding 6 years. RTC offenses punishable by more than 6 years. Court of Appeals, right of habeas corpus, annulment of judgment. Sandigan Bayan, cases involving graft and corruption of public official. Court of Tax Appeals, criminal cases arising from violation of the tax code. Supreme Court, petitions affecting ambassadors, public ministers, or when required by law. Number 9. What are the cases cognizable before the court in their affiliate jurisdiction? RTC, Original Trial Court, hears appeals from decision of the municipal trial courts. Court of Appeals hears appeals from the RTC on both facts and law, except in cases directly appealable to the Supreme Court. Sandigan Bayan hears appeals from RTC decision involving cases of public official where their salary grade is below 27. Court of Tax Appeals hears appeals from decision of the Commissioner of Internal Revenue, Commissioner of Customs, and RTCs in tax cases. Supreme Court hears appeals from the Court of Appeals, Sandigan Bayan, and CTA not only on question of law. Last one, number 10. Rule 110. Rule 110 covers prosecution of offenses. criminal action are prosecuted under the name of the people of the Philippines. They are initiated by complaint of or information filed in court. The complaint or information must state the name of the accused, the offenses charged, and the act constituting the offenses.